Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome, not back. Welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna talk about how. Oh, sorry that about that. How to upload or how to scan a paper and turn it into PDF. This video is made specially for the upcoming DMU examination. I hope I'm not that late. Okay, whatever. Let's go. If you have this apps called Scanner Go, it's good. If you don't, you can install it from Play Store. From Play Store, search Cam Scanner, and then the topmost. You need to download this one. It has a review of 4.4 out of 85 trillion. Okay, and then after downloading, it will open itself.
Unacademy. Let's crack it. क्या आप रेलवे एसएससी या बैंकिंग के आस
cut this and then press skip for now, then press this button, the round button here, this one, and then you don't need to do in a single file. Just go to this multi-scan, and then this will be your cover page. Here you have to write page. You don't need to write page number in the cover. Let's take an example. This is the cover. You should, after capturing, there is a resize button where you need to cut off all the unnecessary part, and then press save, and then turn to page. This will be your first page. Here you have to write page 1 of whatever the maximum page is. If your maximum page is 10, you have to write page 1 of 10, and then there will be your answer, and then capture, save, next page, capture, and so on until the last. After you have captured all those images, press this done button. Done. Excuse me. You can add filter or no filter. If it's clear, you don't need to add filter. After adding this, you have to press this next button, and then at the topmost, you have to name this as your subject, name of the subject, that is history, let's say. And for the 5th semester, 50, or what is this? No, it's 305 for the first paper, and then press next, and then save document. Oh, sorry, I have already saved one. That's why. Let's name it 306. Name whatever you want, and then save document. No thanks.
Unacademy.
That will be
Let's
it.
crack it.
Are you a government job aspirant and wondering where to begin your preparation?
Okay. After this, you can check it from here. There will be your 305 and 306. You have. They will provide you. The university will provide you. Excuse me. A link. This name examinations.dmuportal.in, where there will be an option to upload the file. After pressing that upload button, you can insert your files. Your file will be located in your internal storage, documents, Scanner Go, PDF, and then here it is. That way you can upload, and that will be it. If you have any other question, you can just leave a comment. Thanks.